Hi class, Assalamualaikum and very good afternoon. Today we discuss about the chapter 5 regarding on the analysis of electronic medical record. So in this chapter or in this lab, what you need to do is um, we have these two things that you need to perform during this lab. Uh, do in group and you need to uh, discuss about the finding. So before we go and explain to you how to conduct the analysis of electronic medical record, so the objective of this chapter is to enable you to identify HRS application type that could generate the EMR database, EMR data. And then by the end of this exercise, we expect that you can identify the major EMR system. uh, what is the main component of EMR system in healthcare information system that can be accepted or implemented in certain healthcare organization. And thirdly, we expect that after you do some research on the article regarding on electronic medical system across the world through the uh, reading the article or journal, so we expect you could understand the issue and challenge in implementing the EMR. So, healthcare information system involve very intensive of data and very intensive of people around the process. Uh, especially it involve the patient care, and also the administrative things. And one hospital consider complex processes, right from the registration until the patient is discharged from the hospital. Okay, some introduction. So, or this is some of the revise of the EMR system and EMR record. So EMR stands for electronic medical record, and the system that generate the EMR uh, consists of, for example, a patient management system, clinical information system, CPOE. This is order entry, pharmacy, radiology, etc. So this module I always repeat and repeat. But this is a component looks like a same thing that we have to mention, but they are very important in developing the complete healthcare information system. So this application, like I mentioned, uh, emerged with the EMR to provide health information and health knowledge to assist health worker in managing patient care. Okay, so in this chapter we will conduct a simple research on the current state of EMR system. So that means you need to define the keyword, and then you search the article in the internet and download it, and you read it and collect the article, at least 5 to 10 article, and then you need to summarize what is your finding. So the reason I ask you to do this is to explore, uh, to ask you to explore, what other researcher or other country, uh, their best practice in implementing the EMR or HRS in their country, or in other hospital, right, in other country. So from that you can open your mind yeah, you can you have an option, you have the idea, and you can share the experience from others who got for example, they got the problem, how they resolve the problem, what is the main barriers and a big issue in the process of implementing the system, and how and what is the criteria of adoption uh, aspect that we need to focus to get the buy-in from the health workers in implementing the HIS system, yeah, or healthcare information system. Okay, so this is a EMR definition. So when you read the article, so you can find a lot of definition of EMR, but uh, hopefully the definition is same, but maybe the explanation is different. Okay, so don't confuse and don't got surprised when you start to explore other article regarding the healthcare information system. There are many explanation, but the definition I think same when you do a comparison between one article to another article. So this is I need to stress again. So the EMR system function, the core is health information data, result management, order entry, and decision support. So this is a function, core function, that we why we implement the EMR system in the healthcare in the healthcare organization. Why we bother about the EMR system? So this is a core function. So we want to keep or upkeep the health information data, and we want to manage the results. EMR system as a tool to manage the result, as a tool to manage the order. Yeah? And lastly, not least, the EMR system is used as a tool to make a decision, to help the healthcare professional to make a decision, yeah, to make their uh, complexity, yeah, to simplify the data and produce a very effective information to decide for the certain patient problem in terms of the treatment planning. Yeah. So this is another function: electronic communication, patient support, emergency process, reporting, and population. So this is a sub-core of the function of EMS. Okay, your main task here is to search the article and summarize the article. So what you need to do is first, what you need to do, and I explain to you how to do a search. For an article, you need first step is you need to define the article. You need to define the title of your uh, of your report to be written. For example, you want to write report with the title of an analysis of EMR system adoption. Okay, put the name, put the title. Okay, and then you define the keyword for the search objective, such as telemedicine or EMR system or telemedicine system. So that means from your title and analysis of EMR system adoption, so you find certain keyword from the title of the article to be written by you. And you want to find the article which is related to your topic here. For example, you want to write this article. Okay, so what you need to do is you want to explore other researcher article which is relate to the topic that you want to write on. Yeah. So of course you want to find the information that relate to the title of your article to be written. For example, okay, EMR system. Okay, so this is a keyword for you to put in the Google search, for example. Yeah, and then you uh, start the search, and I think lot of list of the article will be produced by the Google. Give you an example. Okay, so just put here telemedicine or EMR system search. So a lot of so you skip the AD, so a lot of article regarding EMR will be produced. This is an Wikipedia. Skip the Wikipedia. Look at the credible database. Okay, so a lot of uh, article. So this is came from the website. So you can go to other website, for example, that focus on the uh, healthcare. Yeah, so you can go to, okay, this one, journal list. Yeah, so you go to IJES, for example. Okay, so go direct to this journal, which is uh, collect and publish uh, all related electronic medical record, or electronic healthcare article or research. So this journal focus on uh, electronic healthcare. So from here you search, yeah, you search. Yeah, very the search. Okay, let's say you go to the volumes 11, the latest volume, and then you start to search. Oh, they don't. Okay, this journal. Some of the journal is paid. Yeah, paid. So you need to register into this journal, then you can search the journal and download it. So this is not the free journal. So you see that this one you have to log in. So they don't allow you to browse, even browse the specific article you are looking for. Okay, never mind. So you can go to the specific journal, or you do a random search from the Google. Okay. So here, for example, what is EMR? Maybe the search is very short. It's very generic. Maybe you can specific your search EMR system adoption. Okay. So this is one article from the ResearchGate. So ResearchGate is one of the platform where the researcher upload their paper, yeah, in this database. So you can search from here. Yeah. So you can click here this article, and then you start to read. Yeah. Okay. So what you need to do next, after you get the paper, and then you search it and related to your topic, then if the search is too long, then you need to do like I did. So make it specific, and then you will get the related article. And after you get the internet intended article, so you read the abstract, and understand the article, aim, and objective. From the abstract, normally the researcher will compress, will include all the article, objective, background, objective, result, and from the abstract, you understand that what is the problem, what is the aim, and what is the result of the uh, article. So abstract is the summary of the research article. So read the introduction and overview, method, and read the discussion and conclusion. So after you read and understand, so you need to write the summary of the article uh, based on this format. So write the background of the article or the system. Review the system by list down its module and features, summary of its strength and weakness of the system, and write the conclusion. So each of the article that you download, let's say 5 article, so you have this 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 item. So this is a analysis that you need to write for a article. So 5 articles, so that means 5 background, uh, review of the system, summary of the system, their strength and weakness, and conclusion. So from this review, let's say you review 5 article and 5 research, then you can compare. You need to compare between one researcher to another researcher approach. So from that you will get the idea. Okay, so this is a main or objective of this lab, to teach you how to do the analysis. Okay, analysis of uh, other people work. Yeah. And then from that you will get the theory. So this called theoretical analysis. Yeah. So you analyze the other people work, and then you will get the idea, and then you either you implement the best practice, or you learn the issue and problem of certain things that you want to develop, which is similar to others. Okay, this is very short explanation. If you don't understand, write the write in the comment box, or you read this article, and so this is a learning activity. You either choose one or two. Search the internet and find 5 healthcare information system, or you do this one, search the clinical management literature, find list one article, at least one article describing the adoption of use of this 5 or 6 module. I think we choose the number one is very easy. Yeah. Like I show to you this one. So after you download this article, you read it. Yeah, read the abstract. Yeah, this is abstract, and then you, where is it? Okay, read the introduction. Okay, read method. Okay, so you will see uh, the background of the research. Yeah, so they call it EMR, CDSS. Maybe they are used. Their term is different. Maybe CDSS, KMS. What is KMS? So you will learn a lot of uh, information regarding the HRS. And then read some of the result. Okay, maybe uh, The detailed result is very difficult to read, but most important thing is you read the abstract, the background, introduction, yeah, and lastly the discussion. Okay, this is important things, and then from that you will get the idea for each of the article. Okay, uh, class, I think that's it for lab 5, and I want to inform you, yeah. So I put a wrong title for the last lab. Actually the last lab is chapter lab 4, not the lab 5. So I replaced the lab 5 with this chapter, yeah. uh, when you look at the, yeah, lab 5, I have changed the title, yeah, to analysis of electronic medical record system from uh, I think design the, yeah, here, design data model, yeah. Last week I put this design data model under lab 5, This actually this video is for lab 4, so I moved the lab this video from lab 5 to here. Then lab 5 is actually this week discuss on the analysis of electronic medical record. Okay, so this chapter is actually regarded to the chapter 5 of lecture, chapter 5 of lecture of this one. Okay, imaging of EMR and healthcare information system. Okay, class, I think uh, explore the EMR system or SIS system. Follow what I have told to you, teach to you how to search the article. Yeah, follow step 1 until step 5, and then write the article, write the finding based on this format, yeah, background, review, summary, and conclusion. Okay, anything that you don't understand, so please write in the comment, and I will reply to you as soon as possible. That's it. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum.